Today we have a video from Bodycam K9 and the title of the video is "They robbed an armored car weeks ago. Now they're back for more."
Casings up here right by the ATM.
I got chopper in the air. You ain't going nowhere.
Ooh.
On August 21st, 2024, two Brinks truck employees were finishing their route at a Huntington Bank ATM when four suspects pulled in.
What's going on? You guys got someone? Where?
Brinks truck came to empty out the ATM. Somebody shot the.
Well, where are they at?
Okay, we don't know.
Brinks truck took off.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, we're looking for. Yeah, they're saying a Brinks truck employee is shot. We're speaking of engine 30. Which way did it go?
Right here, eastbound.
Yeah.
It's a 2022, 20 to 23 black Dodge Durango, no license plate with 10 on the window.
Just 3 weeks earlier, a Dodge Durango matching that same description with four suspects also robbed a different armored truck. Those suspects were never found.
Here come a gentleman from the.
Yeah.
So he got out, busted with his.
Wait, the employee is.
And he, the big dude. Yeah, they shot the no license plate in the back with 10 on the windows.
2022 to 2023, Dodge Durango, black in color, no tint on the windows. He's the one that's possibly shot. He was emptying the thing. So you guys, wait, so he was the employee in the Brinks truck?
Yes, he's an employee in the Brinks truck.
But he's in the Dodge Durango?
No, he's in the Brinks truck. The shooter is in the Durango.
Where'd the Brinks truck go? I don't care about.
We don't know. He
self-transported.
Yeah, we went to ask him, was he okay? And he just kept saying, yeah, but they must have, his dispatch told him, don't let the windows down. No, it's two guys.
If we get any more views on that,
The guy that was sitting in the back
that's the
came to the
suspect.
front.
They said the guy in the Brinks truck is shot. They think he's self-transported to the hospital. We have located on that Brinks truck.
Yeah, they told him to get off the scene. Yeah.
Where? Let's go find the crime scene, Bobby. Where? Oh, right here. Yeah. Bobby, come on. Got one here, one here. Yeah. Right there.
Unbelievable.
We got several casings up here right by the ATM. I'm gonna mark them off real quick. Which way did that car go? The guy with the gun? What was he wearing?
He had on white jeans, white tennis.
What do you mean, light blue jeans?
Yeah, light blue jeans. This part was white, and then this part was sky blue. That's the only one I had seen.
On the right side?
No, this whole bottom part. When he took off running, where did you pick him up at? He was laying on the ground. When I had turned on weird, like behind the truck. So that's how I looked off the camera.
Is your truck hit?
Then I seen that he was on the ground. Okay.
Spoke the radio, black shirt with white at the top on the right side and then light blue on the right bottom by his stomach. It was a black sweatshirt?
Black sweatshirt.
Yeah, said the shooter.
I don't know.
What shirt? What the shooter? What kind of shirt was he wearing?
He had on the jacket. It was.
Jacket. Okay, what color was the jacket?
It was, this top part was white, this bottom part was like a sky blue with light jeans.
No
with
black?
white shoes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this might have
this
had
side
on
is
black.
black?
Yeah,
No, the guy who shot your friend.
it was multiple ones. One of
Give me a
them probably
second,
did have on all black.
Huh?
One of them probably did have on all
Okay,
black.
the guy who actually shot, the guy who did the shooting, you were describing to me, you said he had light blue, he had red, white here and blue.
No,
What was
that's
the rest of the shirt?
No, it was a jacket.
Okay, what was the rest of the jacket?
It was white up top and it was sky blue at the bottom.
Okay. He's saying the shooter had a jacket on it, white up top and light blue on the bottom.
Like three.
He said the other, one of the other gentlemen had all black on.
We're going to be going eastbound on Arcade.
They gonna catch them. That Durango is.
I don't have them anymore.
Clearly they can't switch cars or nothing like that. So that Durango is distinct.
That's 167.
There it is.
And I think.
Look, my boy about to pop that Yui.
169 and Ozark going north on 169 towards
Oh,
Lakeshore.
dude. That Durango is distinct, man.
Eastbound on Lakeshore. Eastbound on Lakeshore. We have permission to chase.
Ready to 1014?
Hell yeah, they gonna get permission to chase.
Light it up. Brian, you close?
We just hit a car.
Trying to get back. Where was the last team?
They just hit a car. Oh my! What the heck? Oh, they hopped
Give
out.
us the air. We got a crash. Males ran southbound.
Now in Keys, but it's an emergency SOS.
I'm gonna check on this victim here. It struck a Ford SUV. Are you okay? Do you need EMS? Do you need EMS?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You want EMS to check you out?
No.
Yeah, I think you should.
I'm on Ozark right now.
Can I get EMS at 169 in Lakeshore for a 19-year-old female conscious and breathing?
Copy. Where were they last seen?
Can you go get my phone?
Any of them have a backpack?
1029 East 172. Continuing eastbound.
They got eyes on him.
One
Oh
of them
yeah.
has red underwear on. He's headed north. Still headed north. He's around here somewhere. Over to 176 maybe. And yeah, 176 and 9.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We see him. Oh yeah, we see him.
I got 176 and out of here.
Ooh.
Get on the ground.
Well, we put you in the dirt. Get on the ground, man. Being a menace.
1024 East 176.
Going to custody.
Try. I need cuffs. I got it. Palms together. Palms together. Like you're praying. This is going to be the one with the red underwear. There was another one right on the side of him. On your side, I don't know where he went. On your side. Any weapons on you? No. Any weapons on you? Roll over. Turn over. Hey, Little, sit with that car. Go to the Durango and sit with it. Go to the Durango and sit with it. Sit up. Sit up. You got 3 more. Stand up.
This way, this way. Which way did they go?
They're around here somewhere. There was one right in front of him.
What was he wearing?
All black. But he's the one I saw with the red underwear. Victor 89. Next block over, it's locked.
So he's still going that way?
Little, you're with the Durango now?
I think that,
Durango, it's not up in the Brian's car. Next street over.
he goes nuts a lot.
Yeah.
But what I know is nuts.
My doors are locked.
And I knew to come
They just robbed somebody at gunpoint. 1074 East 176. He's in that area. Come on out! Come on out! Come on out!
That's good work.
I got another one, just one north of 1024 East 176. Come on out! Right back here, guys!
That officer. Bravo. That's great work. That's great work, man. To go in the lady's backyard, first of all, and then to look under there, because it's pretty narrow. Like it's not that big. That space under there is not that big. So, only a real skinny kid could really do that. If I was running and I try to get up and I ain't making it under there. But man, great work. Great work by that officer, man. Great work. Unbelievable.
I got another one, just one north.
Right under the deck.
1024 East 176. Come on out! Right back here, guys! Don't you move. Put your hands behind your back.
Where's he at?
Right here.
Where are you at, Brian?
Right here.
Oh, he's underneath the deck?
No, I got him out here. I need cuffs. Man, we've been looking for you guys for a while. Where you at, Brian? Right here.
Get him a good 10 years.
Put your hands together and palms together like you're praying. Roll your leg out.
Probably 7 to 10.
I'm gonna sit you up, okay? Is there
That's what I'm
anything
guessing.
under there?
No.
No pistols, nothing?
I'm gonna.
All right. I'm gonna advise you, your Miranda rights are there. 10 minutes silence. Will be used against you. What's your name? All right. Well, we're gonna add another charge to everything that's going on, my man. Okay.
It's fine.
I got him right here in the field. I need somebody by myself.
Where is she at?
I'm about to run back to these
Ooh.
Can you hold on to him? I'll go with her.
Put it in our car. Yeah. Keep him.
We got the lady officers getting busy. Okay.
Muldoons.
I'm looking at him. I'm like in this field. Right by the freeway. The freeway.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. I got a chopper in the air. You ain't going nowhere. Get on the ground.
There. Hands behind your back. Behind your back.
Drop that.
Good work by the lady cop.
1441.
Weapons on? Yeah, exactly. You know what?
He tried to run in Timberlands?
Not me.
Oh yeah, and it's sunny out there. What these guys got going on, man? Tim's?
1441.
Weapons on? Yeah, exactly.
Oh yeah.
Not me. Get up. I can't breathe. Get up.
Is that me?
Oh my God. You know, it's always gotta be one of them.
Where at? Okay.
Oh, God. Hey, come on, man. It's not your money. Yes, it is.
R2 right here. I'm on the highway with that.
Hey, come on, man. Please.
Okay, emergency work. Okay.
Huh?
Sorry about that.
3 out of the 4 suspects were taken into custody. The 4th is still at large. No information on the suspects have been released since. Share your comments below.
What? There's still one at large? Wow. And they probably don't know who that is. The only way that they'll find that out is if they get one of them to snitch. And that's most likely gonna happen. Everybody know if you're gonna do something and you doing it with other people, and if you go down, somebody telling around here, they gonna cut somebody a deal. That's how the court system work. So it's only a matter of time until he gets caught as well. But yeah, this was a wild one. But something ain't right. Look, one guy, it look hot out there. These guys got on short sleeve shirts, the cops and all that. It look hot out there. You got these guys is in hoodies, shiesty masks, got boots on. Like, come on, man. Y'all, the weather don't even fit for that. It don't even, nah. Man, that one officer that found him under that deck, that's good work. Because that's a good hiding spot. That was a good hiding spot by the suspect. So for the officer to find him, man, that's great work. Great work. Anyway, yeah, so I'm giving these officers, man, 5 out of 5. The lady, she did her job too, man. She said, I got him in the field. I need somebody over here. I'm by myself. Oh, the boys came and oh yeah, it was lit. This was some good footage. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member. And I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.